Hey everybody, Beth Hayes here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I wanted to take a minute and come on with you guys because I wanted to talk to you about our new global membership. MyEcon has a new worldwide global membership. So I'm so excited about that. I want to share that information with you guys, kind of go over a couple of little things on how that works. So if you are a member of a country that's outside the United States, we are available in over 150 countries right now. MyEcon just opened up membership for over 150 countries. So that's going to be most of you guys. And you have access to this membership, which is the global level, which is available to everyone worldwide in those 150 countries. And what that is you have one product available to you right now, and that is the Zingo Travel Club membership. So you can own your very own travel club. Think of it that way. You have your very own travel club where you can book travel for yourself to anywhere. This works for you in your country, and it's good for, you know, it works really well in the United States, I can testify to that, but it also works in other countries as well. And there are things like hotels and flights and rental cars and all the things that you can book through any travel engine. You can do this for yourself, and you will be earning points towards future travel, which you can use to go towards future travel. And you're also saving yourself money, up to 70% off of the retail prices of travel. So this is a really good thing for you to get to use for yourself and to help other people get to use for themselves as well. Now, with this Zingo Travel membership inside of MyEcon, you can also market to people who live inside the United States. So if you have a friend who lives inside the United States besides me, you can get them to sign up for any of the memberships that are available in MyEcon. So there is the $99 EBM membership, which has all of the products that MyEcon represents, or the $45 FSM membership as well. And they can also sign up for the Zingo Travel membership too if they want to. So all of that is available for people inside the United States, and you, as someone living outside the United States, Canada, Australia, Germany, wherever you may live, you can market that back to the people inside the United States and earn their respective commissions. So all of that is available to you. You're not just limited to selling memberships for the travel club. And so I wanted to get to share that with you guys and make sure that you understood that. But the commission that you earn if you do sell the international level membership is going to be $35 in US dollars. I'm not sure what that might translate to in your country, but $35 is what that is here inside the United States. And that's like 60% commission that you're making off of the membership sale. So that's really good. And so I wanted to make sure you guys were aware of that. Also, when you join the funnel team with me, we're going to be giving you spots in our team rotator where our team is making sales for you. So if you come in at the international level, the Zingo Travel membership level, you're getting 5 spots in our team rotator. Yep, that's right, 5 spots in the team rotator. So that's a chance for you to make sales off of no effort of your own. That's our team doing that for you, and that's really exciting too, especially when you're just getting started. It's nice to be able to get those rotator sales that come in. So I'll do another video soon showing you guys proof about the income that you can make here. I'm just so excited, you guys. I really want to help you guys get started with your very own MyEcon membership, whether that's inside the United States or particularly outside the United States. I'm really looking for some international partners, some worldwide partners that can be in this business with me and help me share this with people all around the world, because I think that this is something that everyone around the world could use. A lot of people like to travel. A lot of people could benefit from saving money on their travel and earning themselves some commissions on the side as well. So let's get this shared with a whole bunch of people. I'm looking to work with as many of you as I can. I can only work with so many at a time. But if you will go ahead, this is my number to text me right up here at the top. Send me a text message or leave me a message here on this video. I'd love to reach out to you and get you guys the link so you can get signed up and get started right away. You want to be able to benefit from those rotator positions and start making your commissions as soon as possible. So I'm looking forward to sharing this business with you guys. Can't wait to see you on the inside, and I'll see you on the next video.